How to use multiple SkyDrive accounts on one computer? Is there any way how to use multiple SkyDrive accounts on one computer running Mac OS X or Windows 8? I would like to sync data from different accounts to different folder and not to merge these accounts to one. The reason is that every SkyDrive has its storage limits and I'm using every account for different work data. The result should be the following. I have a number of SkyDrive accounts every for different work, let's say S1, S2, S3. I would like to sync exactly the same number of folders on computer using different accounts to sync them. SkyDrive's 1 folder on computer which syncing the content of S1 SkyDrive's 2 folder on computer which syncing the content of S2 SkyDrive's folder on computer which syncing the content of S3 SkyDrive. Is it possible somehow? I found a workaround for Windows machines, running multiple instances of Microsoft SkyDrive, but is there anything for Mac OS X machines? Or is it possible through any third-party application?
According to the SkyDrive facts, see below, you cannot use the SkyDrive desktop client with multiple accounts simultaneously, but you can serially, aka if you are willing to log out of one account on SkyDrive, Outlook.com, and log back in. There are a few caveats regarding the local configuration and one is that the procedure doesn't work with Windows 8. I'm running Windows 7 so I can't test it but you may be out of luck in the regard. If you are technically savvy and want to push the envelope, see if you can adapt to SkyDrive this procedure for Dropbox, use multiple Dropbox accounts on the same computer. Quotes from SkyDrive desktop app for Windows, frequently asked questions. Can I change the account I use with SkyDrive? You can change the account you use with SkyDrive, but you can't use the folder with multiple accounts at the same time. To change the account you use with SkyDrive, right-click the SkyDrive icon, in the notification area, at the far right of the taskbar, and then click Settings. On the Settings tab, click Unlink SkyDrive. Restart SkyDrive and sign in with the account you want to use. You will need to select the location for your SkyDrive folder again. If you select the same location, the folders for both accounts will be merged. If the PC had the Fetch Files feature turned on, you'll need to turn it on again. Note if you sign in to Windows 8 with a Microsoft account, you can't change the account you use with SkyDrive. And SkyDrive for Mac, frequently asked questions. Can I change the account I use with SkyDrive? You can change the account you use with SkyDrive, but you can't use the folder with multiple accounts at the same time. To change the account you use with SkyDrive, choose Sign Out from the menu bar.
A simple approach. Create a second user on your machine with the details for your second SkyDrive account. Log into the user at the start screen. Switch back to your main user and then navigate to the second user's SkyDrive in File Explorer. If you don't want to log into the second user every day to access offline and online files, you still get access to the files as though you're offline.
There is an app called Rainbow Drive in the Windows Store that puts all your accounts into one place, even Google Drive and Dropbox.
You'll have to log in as the user that is associated with the SkyDrive account that you would like to share with your primary user. Right-click in the SkyDrive folder and select Properties, then go to the Sharing tab. Select Share and select your primary user account in the drop-down list and click Add. Then click Share, then Apply, then Close. After doing this, you will want to right-click on the SkyDrive folder and select Make Available Offline. Then log back into your primary Windows account. Open File Explorer, and you will find the secondary user account under Home Group, and you will find SkyDrive, which you can drag over to Favorites for quick access. Hope that helps.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.